All right, what's up, everybody? How are you doing? Hopefully, you all are doing great and having a wonderful time. This is Porosh here. Today, I am also over the moon by the mercy of Almighty God. So, if you are someone who are passionate about learning English and becoming confident, then you are in the right place. So, let's make some progress. Are you ready to learn something new today? Okay, so let's get started. So today in this video, what I want to tell you is why I speak English in this kind of place and why I do make video here. But before going to our main topic, I want to tell you something about this place, and also I want to describe this morning environment. It's very early in the morning, just 15 minutes past 6, and I woke up just 15 minutes earlier, and after that I came to this place, and the environment is really, fascinating, peaceful environment here, and I'm really enjoying my morning time here. So do you like morning time? If you like morning time, then please rise early in the morning, and come in this kind of place and practice your English. So if you are my long time viewers, then you know this place very well, right? I am making video here for last 1 year. That's why I know this place very well. And if you are someone who has been watching my videos for last 1 year, then you know this place very well. And today, every day I use this road to go my own tuition. That's why I know this place very well. So as it's morning time, I can see there are so many people who are taking morning walk around this park. As you can see behind me, there is a old man who is taking morning walk in this early morning. People are using this place in order to their own betterment, and also I am using this place for my own betterment as I am learning English. So I don't have so many places where I can make English video. That's why I try to use this kind of place in order to make English videos. And I'm passionate about it, and I cannot but make English video. It's my habit and I am addicted to it. That's why I always try to enjoy it, although sometimes people find it interesting. Maybe they make their own imagination. As you can see, there is a man behind me. Maybe he is thinking what I am doing in this early morning, and this is not something usual for them. That's why they find it all interesting all the time, not for today, not for tomorrow, all the time. And whenever I attempt to make video in this kind of place, I see people are just looking at me. But to be honest, I don't care about it. Who cares? I don't care about it. Okay, so if I describe the morning environment here, from here I can see some people are taking their bath in this pond. It's really interesting, to be honest, because it's just 15 minutes past 6, but still they are taking bath. To be honest, it's really fascinating for me. Maybe they are office worker. That's why they are using their morning time. Maybe after 1 hour later they will start walking to their office or maybe to their garments. That's the reason why they are using this morning time here, and I'm using my morning time in order to improve myself. And English, it should be learned by consistency. If you make a good consistency, it will help you a lot to improve your English. So if you want to learn English from your heart, then you have to practice it every day without any break. Okay, so that's why it's very, very important. You have to make a consistency. For example, I always try to use my morning time in order to record my video. And now the question is, why I speak English in this kind of place? Why do I make video? Because the first and the fundamental reason is I want to improve myself. I want to practice English. I don't have so many people around me who speak English. That's why I just open my camera and I start speaking, because this is the only thing that I can do. And practice makes a man perfect. The more you practice, the better you become. So try to practice as much as possible. And I am making video in this kind of place just to practice my English. It doesn't matter what others are thinking about me, what kind of imagination they are making, but I know what I am doing. Making English video isn't a crime. Okay, I'm not doing anything, I'm not committing any crime here. I'm just speaking English. If people think that okay, I'm doing anything wrong, okay, let them judge me, let them think about me. I am the only one who can evaluate my progress. I'm the only one who can make some progress. That's what I'm doing. So if you want, you can also do the same thing. And the next reason is the next biggest reason is I want to build my confidence level. Whenever you are making video in this kind of public place where people are looking at me, that time you can judge your confidence level. If you are not confident, then you are not going to make anything like this, you will be fail to make video in this kind of place, because you need more confident to make video in this kind of place. Okay, where people are looking at you, and you are just thinking what they are thinking about me. Maybe they are making their own imagination about me. Just look at me, this old man is looking at me. But am I stopping? No, I will never stop, because it's my passion. This is making my own identity. So why I will stop? The only thing that I can do is practice every day, and that's what I'm doing. That's why I am improving. And if you compare my old videos with my new videos, then you will see I have improved a lot, and my improvement always makes me happy. And whenever I make English video, I feel a great satisfaction. I feel joy in my heart. That's why I cannot but make English video. That's why I cannot but help people. Okay, so this is the thing. So if you want, you can also do the same thing. You need lots of practice. Only then you will be able to improve your English. I'm not a good English speaker, but still I am trying from my own position. Maybe you are also not good, your accent isn't good, you don't have lots of vocabulary, but still you have to try, man. Start from basic. Just try to speak English for at least for 2 minutes or 3 minutes per day. After a week or after a month, you will see your own progress. you know Learning English is like a walk. You have to fail sometimes before learning. So that's you need to keep in mind, and you need to do some hard work for it. Okay, only then you will get your own rewards. And whenever you will start getting rewards, you will feel great satisfaction. You will be able to continue your journey. But you have to have a strong mentality for this. You have to start your own journey. Okay, so that's what I want to tell you, and that is the reason why I am trying to make video, why I am trying to inspire my brothers and sisters. As I am learning English, as I am doing everything, so it's my duty to help others. It's my duty to motivate others, so that they also can speak something, they can also do something. Okay, so this is the thing. And if you look behind, this is the beautiful pond. It's really rare to find this kind of big pond in our city. As I live in Naranganj, it's really a busy city. People are everywhere. That's why maybe I always try to find a peaceful place in order to record video. But always I fail to find a peaceful place. As a result, I am to make video in this kind of place. It's not a beautiful place, it's not that kind of beautiful, but still I am making videos. And from my point of view, place doesn't matter. When you are so passionate about learning English, when you have a strong mentality to learn, place doesn't matter. Okay, the only thing that can keep you going is your mindset and your mentality. So create a strong mindset, create a strong mentality. Only then you will be able to improve yourself. Okay, so it's really great, to be honest, making video in this kind of morning. There is no noise, it's completely peaceful, and today's weather is also mesmerizing. Yes, I'm really enjoying. Last few, the weather looks similar from the couple of days, and it's really interesting, and it's really fascinating for me. Okay, people are really very conscious about their health. They are taking morning walk. So are you also conscious about your health? If your answer is yes, then try to get up early in the morning, and try to practice your English, and try to take some morning walk. It will be helpful for your health. It will help you to lead a good life. So the video is getting longer. I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and beneficial, please consider to subscribe my channel. It will be a great thing for me. And every day I'm trying to share my own ideas with all of you. So if you need this kind of video more and more, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this full video. See you in the next time. Till then, have a great day.